Yo, we finally hit 50 subscribers. So welcome to the video. This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video, I want to talk about just that, the 50 subscriber giveaway. So as you may or may not know, my YouTube channel has finally hit over 50 subscribers. Now, it's been a long time coming, and I remember when I first got my first subscriber, which was Ramon, which is one of my friends. So to see my channel grow beyond just my friends is actually pretty awesome. So to celebrate that, I want to do a 50 subscriber giveaway, and let's find out exactly what it is. All right, so this giveaway is gonna go from today, which is Friday, all the way till next Saturday, which not tomorrow, but next Saturday, next week. So you have a whole week to get your stuff in. If anybody wants to join, you got a week to join. Just look at the date of this video and know whether this video is outdated. Whatever the upload date is, you only got a week. So if you look at this video in 2020, yeah, you missed it. So there's gonna be a few steps that you're gonna have to do to get into this giveaway. Step number one is gonna be you have to be subscribed to the channel. Now, of course, this is a giveaway to my subscribers, so you gotta subscribe to the channel. So get subscribed if you're not subscribed. If you already are subscribed, you're already good to go. Step number two will be to like and comment on a video other than this video. So not this video, although you can like and comment, all that good stuff on this video too. But go to another video and like and comment on that video. So that's step number two. Pretty simple, right? Step number three. That's right. 1, 2, 3. I know ASL, so this is 3, not 3. Anyway, step number 3 will be to follow me on Instagram or on Twitter. Some people may not use one or the other. So step number 4, and I guess this is not really a step, but it is a step because you got to do it in order to be entered into the giveaway. Step number 4 will be to take screenshots of step number 1, 2, and 3 and DM me on either Twitter or Instagram. And that way, make sure you have all the screenshots, put it in the DM so I have a list. I don't know what other people do. Maybe they, have some form of website that they know that can track all this stuff, but I'm a noob. So do this in my DMs. That way I have it all in a list. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a hint at what the prize is for this giveaway. Let's just say that if you don't have an Apple device, then this is probably gonna be useless to you unless you want to give it to somebody else. Anyway, you might be able to figure out what it is, but yeah, that's it. One more thing. Now, if I hit 100 subscribers before the end of this giveaway, then I'll select 2 winners, because I don't know how, but I just started getting subscribers out of nowhere, and I'm glad for it. I'm very thankful for it. But I'm doing a 50 sub giveaway, and I got like 84 subscribers. So yeah. So as I said before, this giveaway is going to start today, which is Friday, and it's going to end next Saturday at 12 noon. So you have until 12 noon next Saturday, not tomorrow, next Saturday, to DM me with all of your screenshots and everything like that. Now, if you look at this video in 2020 and you missed it, so just look at the date of this video and you notice it's only going for 1 week. So that's that. And I'll be announcing the winner at 8 o'clock Saturday. That's when I'm going to upload the video. So you got until 12 noon Saturday, and at 8 o'clock, we'll figure out who our winners are. Well, yeah, who the winners are if I get to 100. But if I don't, then we'll figure out who the winner is. So there you have it. Those are the rules for my 50 sub giveaway. If you have any questions, post it in the comments below. You can DM me on Instagram, but I'd prefer you just post it in the comments below. Also, if you have any suggestions for my channel, maybe some things you want to see up there. I'm not going to only be doing tutorials. I will be mostly doing tutorials, but I will be adding some other things in, which stay tuned for that, because I got some great things planned and I'm just excited to give y'all some good content. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and comment down below if you have any suggestions, if you like my channel, don't like it, whatever you want to put down there. Just give me some comments, give me some feedback, and stay tuned so you can learn how to Apple without the E.